The phrase journey to the west usually brings to mind the Monkey King, but Yanfu's real-life journey to the west helped usher an ancient and out-of-touch China into the modern world, and his contribution also deeply influenced the later development of China. Fuzhou's historical and cultural street, Sanfang Qishang, 3 lanes, 7 alleys, is the place where Yanfu used to live. And during the Qing dynasty, Sanfang Qishang was also the hometown of many other famous people. And today, it's a museum of Ming and Qing dynasty architecture. I need to grow a beard like this so I look more like a professor. This was Yanfu's childhood home. But in 1866, the death of 12-year-old Yanfu's father shattered his dream of preparing for the imperial exam. But Yanfu's tragedy was a blessing in disguise for China. His curriculum of modern Western sciences at Fuzhou's Naval Academy is worlds apart from the ancient classics he would have studied for the imperial exam. But it opened Yanfu's eyes for China's need for modern science. The Fuzhou Shipyard and Naval Academy, with its 13 grand buildings, was famous as the leading shipyard in the Far East and also China's cradle of shipbuilding. Sadly, the only building to survive the French's 1884 naval attack was the French architectural style engineering machinery building. But the ruins' large scale are mute testimony to just how much Qing Dynasty China embraced modern science and technology. After graduating from the Naval Academy with honors in 1871, and spending 5 years at sea, Yanfu studied at England's Royal Naval Academy, where he met China's first ambassador, Guo Songtao, and he showed him the difference between East and West. After Yanfu returned to China, he first taught here at the Fuzhou Naval Academy, and then at Tianjin's Beiyang Naval Officer School. And in 1912, he became the first president of what is now Peking University. Yanfu's greatest influence in China was his introduction of Western philosophy, economics, sociology, political science, and logic through his translations of such classics as Adam Smith's The Wealth of Nations, John Stuart Mill's On Liberty, Darwin's Theory of Evolution, and Herbert Spencer's Study of Sociology. These classics shook the underlying logic of the entire ancient empire. 150 years ago, young Yanfu's eyes were open as he journeyed to the West. And in 1988, I journeyed to the East. I moved to China as one of the first foreigners to teach MBA courses. Over the past 35 years, I've driven over 200,000 kilometers around China to see firsthand how China has met the modern challenges confronting all nations today. I've witnessed China improve health, education, fight desertification, deforestation, defeat absolute poverty with precision poverty alleviation, develop the world's best highway, railway, and internet networks, pioneer in supercomputers and graphene, even explore the far side of the moon. And the modern science that helped make this possible began with Yanfu's journey to the West. Wow, today Sanfang Qishang is very festive, and the red paper couplets on the doors express the hopes for the new year. This shows that the China dream is nothing new. Chinese have for centuries, even millennia, dreamed of better days. But today, Yanfu's science is helping transform this dream into reality.